Okay, so first, this is for the lock. You need to open it like this, okay? This is the power button, okay? So, you just need to press it like this way. This is for temperature control. As you can see, it's 140. That's the maximum temperature. But if you want, you can adjust into 80, 120, 140. Maximum is 140. This is the wind speed. So let's say this is on high wind, high speed. If you want, you can make it low. So this is for the speed. Then the next one, this one, if you want cold, okay? And then, okay, so better put on 140. If your hair is wet, put on 140 degree, okay? Take this hair. This surface, it should be always down, pointing down. Do this way, and then just slowly. One more. Clip. Then slowly.